Hirshman must go! Hirshman must go!
The call for action was elevated on the San Diego State University campus today during a lively press conference.
Hirshman must go!
The school's Muslim Student Association has had a difficult relationship with university officials since last week. That's when flyers advertising an upcoming speaking event identified 7 current students by name.
Students were called terrorists. They're called allies of terrorists. For a Muslim student, or for any student here on campus being called something like that, it has horrendous effects on their future. These students are applying for grad school, they're applying for jobs.
The Muslim Student Association responded quickly, asking for a condemnation of the flyers. That didn't come, and the tension boiled over when students confronted Hirshman outside a campus building. He was inside the police car for more than an hour. University officials met with student leaders for 2.5 hours this past Monday. Students were hoping for that strong condemnation of the flyers. The university issued this statement. Quote, by agreeing that in cases where racism, Islamophobia, misogyny, homophobia, and all forms of bigotry result, we abhor the content of such expression, even as we recognize the protected status of those expressions. Finally, we reaffirm our commitment to supporting an environment that fosters meaningful dialogue and mutual respect. KPBS reached out to university officials, and they say the Monday email would be their final comment on the issue.
It was very wishy-washy, another vague email, another vague statement that did not condemn this situation and did not fully support those students that were called allies of terrorists.
David Horowitz's organization distributed the provocative flyers on other California campuses, and those schools strongly denounced the tactic. He was invited to San Diego State by the Student Republican Club. Monique De La Cruz says the idea was to broaden the dialogue on a liberal college campus.
He has sparked a lot of controversy with what he has to say, but he's also a good speaker, and he does take Q&A, and so we not only get his side, but we also get to see how students feel about the subjects that he talks about.
The Southern Poverty Law Center tracks hate groups and hate speech around the country. They say Horowitz is known for anti-Muslim and anti-immigrant speech. Erik Anderson, KPBS News.